A Western Ohio glass plant that was slated to close by the end of the year will not only remain open, but also expand its production and add jobs, company and economic development officials said last week. Vitro, a producer of glass for automotive, architectural, and consumer goods companies, announced in the fall of 2024 that it would close its facility in Crestline, Ohio, which makes glass for automotive OEMs. State officials said that the decision came amid sharp headwinds in the industry and was part of a broader plan to reshuffle Vitro's manufacturing footprint. But over the following months, improving macroeconomic conditions and new business opportunities prompted Vitro to weigh other options to meet demand, including potentially modernizing rather than shuttering the Crestline plant. State Economic Development Agency Jobs Ohio, along with other state officials and local economic development groups, said that it lobbied company executives to invest in Crestline instead of its other U.S. facilities. And officials announced last Monday that Vitro would move forward with a project to improve efficiency and bolster production capacity at the Ohio location. The move would retain its current workforce of 265, as well as add another 53 new jobs. Carlos Bernal, the president of Vitro Automotive Glass, called the announcement an important step in strengthening the company's competitiveness, and that it remains committed to continuously evaluating opportunities to improve our manufacturing network. The Ohio Tax Credit Authority approved an 8-year tax incentive package to support the project, which includes a 1.302% tax credit over that span. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.